If you've been looking for a steering lock for your older 1980s era Mercedes diesel, boy, you're not alone. These are no longer made. And if you buy a used one on eBay, a lot of times they'll be worn out. A lot of people think that just because the key is sticking, the problem's with the tumbler, but it's not. It's internal in the lock here. We're finding out these have gotten to be so old, and there's a piece in here that wears out, and that piece is related to this locking shaft. You'll notice when you turn the key off on any of these locks that haven't been modified, and you pull the key out, you're going to hear this big snapping sound. Snap, snap, snap. That's what wears these locks out. So when we get the chance, and we have one that is rebuildable, we install a new tumbler, new keys, and we modify this internally so we eliminate the snap. Now watch this. It still turns on, and when you pull the key out, it still locks into the steering column, but we've eliminated that big spring snapback, which is the main reason that these steering locks wear out. So this one I'm selling has that modification. And you'll notice that this particular one does not have an electrical switch. You can buy an electrical switch separately, or you can use the one off your existing steering lock assembly.